kanyang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisan.
This is Joan of Art, and I met this guy. Wow. What's your name? Sino ngalan mo?
Ashy.
Ashy.
Hindi ako mapalagay.
So he's singing. Let's give it to him.
Mag-iing sa pagtulog ko ay pangarap ka. Kahit nasaan ka pa, kapiling ka sa tuwina. Kapag ika'y nakita, anong ligaya ko sinta. Bakit labis kitang mahal. Thank you, Master.
Okay, salamat. Thank you, Ashy.
Thank you.
Anong natabo sa imo kamot?
Inborn.
Inborn. Pila ka nakatuig?
34.
34. Single, may asawa?
Yes,
Ay, grabe! Nakapangasawa. May kabataan?
4 na naman.
4. Wow! Congratulations. Salamat sa imo, ha? Thank you, Ashy. So that's our experience right now. It's pretty ordinary, but wow, it's really extraordinary. I don't know how to say it, but in Ilonggo, people who have what do you call this? Missing arms and missing legs, or missing arms and legs. We call it, the Ilonggo term is kumpol. Kumpol. Sometimes it's used in a quite derogatory manner to bully or insult people who are differently abled. But Ashy has taught us that he can also sing, so they have also different and unique talents. Wait. I'm in my drive. Hello. This is Joan of Art. See you in our next video. I still have to order. Bye-bye.